Hello everyone, Devjyoti here from website.com, and today in this video tutorial I am going to teach you how you can create a professional e-commerce website by using free resources. Here as a theme I am going to use Astra, and for the page builder I am going to use this Spectra WordPress Gutenberg Block Editor. Spectra is a special kind of block editor that power up the Gutenberg editor with advanced and powerful block that help your website making experience very smooth. This Spectra plugin makes your website making experience that much easy that a person who does not have any kind of coding knowledge, they also can create awesome website by using this Spectra WordPress Gutenberg Block Editor. When you install and activate this Spectra plugin, you will get a dedicated option for the Spectra. So as you can see here, if I click in this block or extension option, you will get so many elements as you can see here, and you can easily enable or disable them. Suppose you don't want this button, just disable it like that. If you want to enable it, always you can do that also. Not only that, but also if you click in the settings option, here also you will get lot of options to make your website making experience smooth. Not only that, but also this Spectra provide you almost 40 plus pre-built demo template in free of cost, and you can use them in your website without any worry. But in this tutorial, I am going to teach you how you can create a e-commerce website from scratch by using this Spectra WordPress Gutenberg editor. Don't worry, I will teach you how to import the demo. I will explain each and every features of this Spectra WordPress Gutenberg block. I can guarantee that after ending this video tutorial, without any kind of help, you can easily create awesome websites by using this Spectra Gutenberg block editor. And as Spectra recommend Astra theme, so in this tutorial I am going to use free Astra theme, okay? So now without wasting time, let me introduce you with the demo website what I am going to create in this video tutorial. So in the top of the website here you can see the top bar. At the left hand side here you can see my phone number, my email ID, and after that here you can see top menu bar that contain about us, shop, order tracking and contact us. After that here you can see the logo of the website, and after that is the main menu bar. After that here you can see the my account icon, and after that here you can see the cart icon. When I hover on the cart icon, you can see a mini cart panel is open. It's showing that no product added in the cart. So after that here you can see awesome slider with lots of animation effect, and I use this slider by using only the free resources. Don't worry, I'll teach you everything. Just my humble request, please don't skip the video. So after that here you can see all the brands logo. Next here you can see some offer session like 20% off on so and so product. Here also you can see some offers. If I click in the shop now option, it will redirect me in the shop page. After that here you can see some feature products. Next here again you can see some special offer session, and here you can see a beautiful parallel separate also. After that here you can see some best selling products, and after that here you can see some feature of the website like global shipping, best quality, best offer and secure payments, etc. After that, so that is the footer top session, that is the footer tagline, and after that here you can see a newsletter form. Next in the footer here you can see the big logo. After that contact information, here you can see some important links. In the downside here you can see the copyright line, and here you can see some social media icon, and that is the back to top icon. After that let me come back to the about us page. So in the about us page here you can see a beautiful header. After that here you can see some information, and that is our team session, and here you can see the all the social media icons, that is the follow us session actually, and here you can see a beautiful parallel effect also, and after that is the testimonial session. So now let me come back to the shop page. So in the shop page at the left hand side here you can see all the filter session that contain filter by category, filter by price, filter by capacity, filter by color, filter by size, etc. After that in the left hand side here you can see the page breadcrumb, page name, page title. After that how many products are showing that are displaying here. Next here you can see the sorting option. After that if you scroll down here you can see all the products, and that is the infinite scroll. And you can observe one thing, when I'm scrolling here you can see the sticky sidebar. As you can see I'm scrolling, the right side of the page are scrolling, but in the left side of the page here you can see the sidebar is totally sticky now. If I scroll top here you can see now it's not sticky, okay? It's really looking awesome. So now let me click in the order tracking option. So from this page actually you can easily track your order. It's really awesome feature. Now let me come back to the contact us page. So in the contact us page in the top here you can see a beautiful header session. After that at the left hand side here you can see all the contact information, and also here you can see the shop timing, and at the right hand side here you can see a big contact us form. So after that, in the main menu here you can see all the main product category like women's dress, bag, man's dress. Suppose I am clicking on the women's dress, so all the products belong to the women's dress are displaying here as you can see here. Now suppose I am opening this product, click on that. So that is my single product page. So in the top of the page here you can see the breadcrumb. After that here you can see the product category, product rate. After that here you can see the product short description. After that here you can see the quantity slider. I mean from here you can increase or decrease the number of the quantity you want to order. After that here you can see the add to cart option. Now here you can see the product SKU, product category and product tag. Okay, and at the left hand side here you can see the product main image, and after that in the down side here you can see the product gallery image. If you scroll down more here you can see the product description tab, additional information tab and the review tab, and here you can see all the related product. So now if you want to make a order, first of all I have to log in. Now for login I have to click in this account option. This page will open. So it asking user ID and password for login. So I don't have any account, so first of all I have to register myself. Click in the register option, and here I have to enter the user ID and password. Once you enter user ID and password, after that you have to click in the register option. So once you successfully registered, you will come to this page, that is the my account page. So now you can easily make the order. So again let me come back to the shop page. Another thing I forgot to tell you actually, when I hover on the product actually, in the shop page here you can see add to cart option and quick view option. If I click in this quick view option, this quick view window will display and it will look like that. It's really looking awesome now. So now let me click in this. So now let me add this product in the cart. So for that I have to click in this add to cart option. So here you can see one product already added in the cart. If I click in this cart icon, here you can see this product already added in the cart. So from here if you want to go back to the cart page, always you can click in this view cart option. So that is the cart page. If you have any coupon code, always you can enter here. Okay, and after that you have to click in the process to checkout option. So that is the checkout page actually. So it asking the billing details, shipping details, etc. And here you can see the order details also. So now let me enter all the billing details. After entering all the details of the address, here actually you have to mention the phone number. After the scroll down, if you want to add any additional information, always you can write it here. After that from here actually you have to choose the payment method. Suppose I am choosing cash on delivery, and after that let me click in the place order option. So once you complete the order, you will redirect to this page, that is actually thank you page that contain all the order details. If you click in this my account option, from here also if you click in this order, you will get all the access of the order. As you can see, let me click in the view option for seeing the detail of the order. So as you can see, the order presently in processing. Now let me teach you how as a admin you can process the order. So for that actually first of all you have to come back to the dashboard, and after that you have to hover on the WooCommerce, and after that you have to click in the orders. So as you can see, you already get a order. Let me click on the order for accessing the order details. So here actually you will find all the order details. Suppose as a admin you already complete the order. So from here actually you have to make it complete, and after that you have to click in the update. So once as a admin you already complete the order, now let me come back to this user window, and now let me refresh the page. So at present it's showing the order in processing, okay, but after refreshing the page you can see the order already complete, because as a admin you already complete the order. So hope you understand how a customer can create a order and how as a admin you can process the order. So now for creating this website actually I'm not going to use any real domain name or hosting account. I'm going to use XAMPP. XAMPP is a local server. For the first of all actually download and install the XAMPP. Just search XAMPP. After that you have to click in this first links apachefriends.org. So after that you have to click in this download option. Now if you are a Windows user, then you have to download this one. If you are a Linux user, then you have to download this one, and if you are a Mac user, then you have to download this one. I mean the latest versions, okay. So I am a Windows user, so I have to click in the download option for the latest version. So as you can see, this download pop-up already come. Let me cancel that because I already successfully download and install the XAMPP. So once you successfully download and install the XAMPP, you have to search for the XAMPP control panel, I mean this one, and once you open that it will look like that. From there you have to click in the start option for the Apache, and after that you have to click in the start option for the MySQL. Next what you have to do, you have to open another new tab, and after that you have to type localhost. After that you have to click in this phpMyAdmin option because I have to create the database, okay. So for creating the database you have to click in this new option, and here actually you have to enter the database name. Suppose I am giving the database name as Spectra 2, okay. And just remember this database name is actually case sensitive, okay. So enter the word carefully. After you successfully wrote the database name, you have to click in the create option. So as you can see, my database is successfully created. Next you have to open another new tab, and after that you have to type wordpress.org. From there actually you have to download the WordPress. So for that, first of all I have to click in this get WordPress option, and after that you have to click in this download option. Okay, so as you can see, my download of the WordPress already begin. Let me finish the download. So as you can see, my WordPress file already downloaded. So now you have to open the folder where you install the XAMPP. Suppose I install the XAMPP in the app drive, so I am opening the app drive. After that you have to open this XAMPP, and after that you have to open the htdocs folder. Drag and drop this WordPress folder inside the htdocs. It will take some time, so please wait for that. So after that, let me close this one and rename this WordPress folder. So I am giving the name as Spectra 2. After that you have to open another new tab, and you have to type localhost / that folder name means Spectra 2. You have to click in the enter key. This window will open. From there you have to click in the continue option, click in the let's go. So here actually you have to enter the database name, username, that will be root. After that, password I know required, so remove it. After that you have to click in the submit option, click in the run the installation. After that, here actually you have to enter the site title. So I am writing Spectra. After that you have to enter the username. I am giving the username as admin. Password also I am giving as admin, but I highly recommended use a strong user ID and password. It's a dummy website, so I am entering the username and password as admin and admin. After that you have to click in this confirm password, and after that you have to enter your email ID here. Next you have to click in the install WordPress option. After that you have to click in the login option. Next here you have to enter user ID and password, and after that again you have to click in the login option. So that is my WordPress dashboard. So now actually I have to activate the theme. For activate the theme, first of all I have to hover on the API items, and after that I have to click in the themes option. So from here let me click in this add new option. Here let me search for the theme, that is Astra. So here you can see the theme. Let me click in the install option. After installing the theme you have to click in the activate option. Next I have to click in this get started option. It will activate some extra plugin. So after that it will redirect to this page. So from there again let me come back to the dashboard. After that hover on the plugin and click in the add new option, and here let me search for the Spectra. So here you can see the Spectra WordPress Gutenberg block. Let me click in the install now option. After that I have to click in the activate option. After installing and activate the Spectra plugin, it will redirect to this page. I have to download some more plugin. So let me again hover on the plugin, and after that let me click in the add new option. I am going to create a e-commerce website, so I have to install and activate the woocommerce plugin also. So here actually let me search for the woocommerce. So that is the plugin. Let me click in the install now. I'll activate it later. I need the Stripe payment gateway also. So let me search for the Stripe. Click in the install now for this Stripe payment gateway by WebTrophy. I am installing this one. Now let me search for the another plugin name as WP form. I mean this one. Click in the install now. Now let me click in this install plugin option. So from there first of all delete the unnecessary plugins like this Hello Dolly and this one also. Let me delete them. After that select everything, and from this drop down let me click in the activate option, and after that I have to click in the apply option. Actually I need another plugin for the slider also. Again let me click in the add new option. That plugin name is Depicter actually. That is for the slider. This one, okay. Let me click in the install now. After that I need another plugin for the newsletter, that is Mailchimp. So let me search Mailchimp here. It will automatically search the plugin. I need this one, this Mailchimp for WordPress, okay. Let me click in the install now. So after installation done, directly come back to the install plugin. From there again let me select all the plugin, and after that let me click in the activate and click in the apply option. So now actually I have to set up the WooCommerce plugin. So for that what I have to do, I have to hover on the WooCommerce, and after that I have to click in the settings option. Now it asking to enter the store address. City will be Hyderabad because I am from Hyderabad. Country / state, that is Telangana, India. I mean this one. After the zip code. After that in the general option it asking the selling location. So I want to sell the product only in India. So I am choosing this one, sell to specific countries. And from here let me search for the India. I mean this one, okay. And after that shipping location. So I want to ship my product only in India. So I am choosing this one, ship to specific countries only. And from here let me search for the India again. I mean this one. After that enable the taxes, yes. And the currency, that will be Indian rupees. So I have to select Indian rupee, okay. And after that I have to click in the save changes. Next I have to click in this product tab. So in the product tab everything I am keeping as it is. Just in the weight measurement unit let me make it gram. And after that let me click in the save changes. After that let me click in the tax tab. So in India you know the tax is also known as GST also. So here actually I have to add a additional tax class, that is GST. Okay, scroll down and after that I have to click in the save changes. Now in the top here you can see one extra tab get added, GST rate. Click on that. After that I have to click in the insert row option, and here I have to enter the country code. For India it will be capital IN, and after that the tax percentage, suppose 10%. Okay, and after that I have to check both of the check boxes, and after that I have to click in the save changes. Next let me click in the shipping option. So here actually first of all I have to add the shipping zone. Click in the add shipping zone. After that the shipping zone name, suppose I am giving India, and after that I have to click in the save changes. Next I have to click in the add shipping method. Again I have to click in this add shipping method. So now let me click in the flat rate. Suppose for each and every product I want the shipping charges will be 50 rupees. So here I am writing 50. I mean the shipping charges, asterisk sign, start the bracket, and in bracket I have to write in small letter QTY. QTY means quantity actually, and after that I have to close the bracket. So after that I have to click in the save changes. So now if you want to add the shipping class, always you can do that. Shipping class is necessary. Suppose you are selling shoes, I mean a lightweight product as well as a heavyweight product like refrigerators, big furniture, like that. So for the heavyweight product obviously the shipping charges will be more compared to a lightweight product like shoes or clothes. Okay, so for this case actually I have to create the shipping class. So let me click in the shipping class option, and after that I have to click in the add shipping class. The shipping class name I am giving as heavy. In the description you can wrote something like that, the product which weight is more than 10 kilos, something if you want you can always wrote, but I am keeping everything as it is. Once done you have to click in this save shipping class. Okay, hope you understand the concept. After that again I have to come back to the shipping zone option. So now actually again I have to click in this India, and after that again I have to click in this flat rate option. Now I have to remove the rate from here, and the product which is belong to the heavy shipping class, I mean for the heavyweight product, suppose the shipping charges I am writing 350 rupees for each and every product, and the product which is not belong to the heavy shipping class means for the normal product shipping charges will be 50 rupees for each and every product. Once done you have to click in the save changes. Hope you understand the concept. Now I have to come back to the payments option. So in this payment method actually you have to choose the payment option. Suppose I want cash on delivery, and I already actually installed the Stripe payment gateway, so this option is coming actually. So from that you have to enable this one. Okay, so once you enable that you have to click in this manage option. After that make sure this should be enabled. After that in title actually I want it should be credit/debit card, even in description also, even in order button also. Enable this one, it's optional. Okay, and after that you have to click in the save changes. Now actually I have to click in this WebTrophy Stripe option because I have to activate the Stripe payment gateway. At the similar time let me open a new tab and let me search for the stripe.com. Okay, from here actually you have to click in the sign in option. After here actually you have to enter the user ID and password. So after entering user ID and password it asking the verification code. They will send the verification code in mobile. So let me enter that. Once you successfully enter the verification code it will redirect to Stripe dashboard. So that is the Stripe dashboard. From there you have to click in this developers option, and from there you have to click in this API key. Okay, and from there you have to copy the publishable key first of all. After that let me come back here, make it live mode, and after that here actually I have to paste the publishable key. In similar manner copy the secret key also, and after that I have to paste the secret key here. After the scroll down and I have to click in the save changes. So in this way you can integrate Stripe payment gateway with your website. After that again hover on the WooCommerce and click in the settings option. Now from here directly come back to this one, account and privacy, and here actually I have to enable this, uncheck this one, scroll down, and after that I have to click in the save changes. So my WooCommerce setup is almost complete. Now what I have to do, I have to create the products. Before creating the products, click in the media because I want to upload all the images at a time. All the images what I am going to use in this video tutorial, I upload them in a cloud and I give the link in the video description. So by clicking on the link you always get those image file. So that is the image files actually. Let me select all the images and drag and drop it here. It will take some time to upload all the images one by one. So please wait for that. So as you can see all the images already uploaded. Now I have to create the product category. For that hover on the products and after that I have to click in the categories option. So by default one category will be there. If you want you can keep it as it is, else if you want to edit, always you can edit it. So for adding the new category, here actually you have to enter the category name. Suppose I am entering the category name as bag. Scroll down, click in the upload/add image, click in the media library. As I already upload all the images, so from the media library let me search for the image for the bag category. Suppose I am taking this image, okay, and after that I have to click in the use image option, click in the add new category. So in this way you can add a main category. As you can see, one category already added here. Now let me teach you how to add the subcategory. For adding the subcategory, again you have to write the category name here. Suppose I am writing the category name as laptop bag. Scroll down, here you can see the parent category. So from here actually you have to choose the bag, because I want to add the subcategory for the bag. Hope you understand the concept. Next you have to click in this upload/add image, and suppose I am choosing this one, okay, for the laptop bag. Click in the use image, and after that I have to click in the add new category. So now you can see one subcategory of the bag is already added here. Let me add another subcategory like handbag. Again in the parent category I have to choose bag, and after that click in this add image, and suppose I am choosing this image, click in the use image, and after that again I have to click in the add new category. So hope you understand how to add the main category and how to add the subcategory. Make sure when you adding the main category, the parent category should be none. Hope you understand. Now let me teach you how to add the attribute and how to add the attributes value. For creating the attributes, you have to click in the attribute option first of all, and here actually you have to add the attribute name. Suppose I am giving the attribute name as size, and after that I have to click in this add attribute option. So now I have to add the value for the size, okay. So click in this size, and here actually I have to enter the value for the size like large, click in the add new size, small, again I have to click in the add new size. So in this way you can add the value for the attributes. For adding another new attribute, again I have to click in this attribute option. Suppose this time I am giving the attribute name as color, and I have to click in the add attribute option. Next I have to add the value for the color, click in this color option. Suppose I am adding the value as blue, click in the add new color. After that pink, again I have to click in the add new color. Hope you understand the concept. Now let me add the product. First of all I will teach you how to create a simple product, and after that I will teach you how to create a variable product. So for creating the product, first of all I have to click in this add new option. Next here actually you have to enter the product name. I am giving the product name as red handbag. After that here actually you have to enter the product description, and in this drop down make sure it should be simple product, because I am going to create a simple product only now. Next here actually you have to enter the product regular rate, suppose 600, and after here actually you have to enter the sale rate, suppose 500. If you want to schedule the sale, always you can do that. For schedule the sale you have to click on that, and after that from here you have to select the date. Suppose this sale will be scheduled 4th September to 14th September, and after that in the tax option actually this product is taxable or not. Yes, this product is taxable, so I am choosing the taxable, and in the tax class I am choosing GST. After that come back to the inventory option, and here actually I have to enter the product SKU. SKU stands for the stock keeping unit, and every product should have a unique SKU number, okay. And after that you have to click in the manage stock if you want to manage the stock. Suppose you have total 70 product in stock, so here actually you have to write 70, and after that directly come back to the shipping option. So here you have to enter the product weight in gram, suppose 300 gram. After you have to enter the dimension in centimeter. Suppose the length is 100, width is 80, and height is 40. I am entering some random value, okay. If this product is a heavyweight product, then you have to choose the heavy, else choose this one, no shipping class. I mean for the normal product, make sure it should be no shipping class, okay. After the link product I will discuss later. Next what I have to do, you have to enter the product short description here, okay. After that you have to choose the product image, click in this, and from the media library actually you have to select the product image. Suppose I am taking this image, click in the set product image. After that I have to set up the product gallery image, click in this. From the media library, suppose I am choosing this image and this image as a product gallery image, and after that you have to click in the add to gallery, okay. After that you have to scroll down more, and here actually you have to choose the product category. Suppose this product belongs to the bag and the subcategory is handbag, and after that you have to choose the product tab. Suppose I am giving the tag name as handbag, okay, and after that you have to click in the add option. Next scroll up, and after that you have to click in the publish option. So in this way you can create a simple product. Now let me teach you how to create a variable product. The process is quite similar. Again you have to click in this add new option here for adding a new product. After that here actually you have to enter the product name like laptop bag. After that here actually you have to enter the product long description, In this drop down I have to choose variable product, and from here I have to choose the tax class. Inventory, shipping not required, directly come back to the attribute. From here let me choose the color first of all, and after that I have to click in this add option. Next I have to check both of the check boxes, and from there actually I have to choose the value for the attribute. Okay, next again let me click in this and let me add the size attribute also. Click in the add option, and from here let me add the values like large and small, and after that I have to check both of the check boxes, and after that I have to click in the save attribute option. Next you have to click in this variation. After that here you can see a drop down, select this one, create variation from all attribute. After that you have to click in the go. One pop-up will appear, click in the OK option. After that another pop-up will appear. As you can see 4 variation is already added, click in the OK. So now here you can see there is total 4 variation: blue color large size, blue color small size, pink color large size, and pink color small size. Okay, click in this blue color large size, click in this, and from the media library suppose I am taking this image, click in the set variation image, and product SKU, let me enter a product SKU, and after that here actually I have to enter the product regular rate like 650, and the discounted rate is 600. After the product in stock, yes, and here actually you have to enter the product weight, dimension, after that product shipping class, everything. If you want to write some description knowledge you can write it here, but here I am keeping everything as it is, just I am entering the rate. Okay, and SKU. Now blue color small size, click in this. After that suppose I am taking this image, click in the set variation image, and the date is suppose 500, no sale is going on, and here actually I have to enter the product SKU. Now pink color large size, click in this. From the media library suppose I am taking this image, click in the set variation image, rate I am giving as 650, and after that remaining I am keeping as it is, just enter the SKU here, and after that pink color small size, click in this. Suppose I am taking this image, click in the set variation image, SKU, let me enter some random number, and after that product regular rate suppose 700, and the sale rate is 450, and after the product in stock, yes, everything I am keeping as it is, and after that you have to click in the save changes. So once saved, scroll up little bit. So in the top here you can see the default value. Suppose I am choosing blue and large. Now for the blue and large combination I select this image as a product image. Okay, the similar image actually you have to upload in the product image. Hope you understand the concept. So blue color large size, I mean this one. Okay, click in the set product image, and after that again I have to choose the product gallery image, click in this, and from the media library suppose I am taking this image, and this image as product gallery image, click in the add to gallery image, and after that I have to choose the product category. The main category is bag and subcategory is laptop bag. Product tag, suppose I am writing laptop, and after that I have to click in the add option. Now scroll up, and after that you have to click in the publish option. So in this way actually you can create the variable product. So in the similar manner let me add some more product with different categories with different attributes. So after that I will come back. So as you can see here I already created so many product in different category. So now let me teach you how to add upsell and cross sell product. Suppose I want to add this second product as a cross sell product for the first product. So let me open the first product. After that if you scroll down here you can see this linked product, and here there are two options, upsell and cross sell. So suppose I want to add the second product as a upsell product of this one. So here actually you have to write the second product name. It will automatically search the product, and after that you have to click on the product. So in this way you can add the upsell product. In similar manner you can add the cross sell product also. Hope you understand the concept. Now let me scroll up, and after that I have to click in the update option. So as I upload all the product, so now let me design the slider. For designing the slider actually I have to click in this option, that is a free slider plugin. For creating the slider you have to click in this option, create slider. So by default so many preset slider is available. Suppose I want a soap slider, so let me click on the soap option. Suppose I like this cloth soap, okay, and I want to import this slider in my website. So what I have to do, I have to click in this import option. So within some second this slider will be imported in your website. Please wait for some time. So as you can see this slider successfully imported in the website. A pop-up window will appear, just close that. Now suppose for the first slide I want to change this background first of all. So for that what I have to do, I have to click on the background image, and after that you have to click in the delete option. So now suppose I want to add an image here. So for that you have to click in this photo, and after that you have to click in the upload option. Now let me click in the media library. Now from the media library, suppose I want this image, click in the insert option. Once the image inserted, I have to resize the image little bit like that. Okay, it's quite easy. Let me make it little bit larger. I think that's perfect. Before that, actually I forgot one thing. Click in this option, click on the general, and from here the slider layout, let me choose this full width. Okay, and here you can see the sliders height for the desktop. Let me make it 600, and for the tablet let me make it 500, and for the mobile let me make it 450. Okay, and after that I have to again click in this, and after that I have to click in the publish change option. Okay, hope you understand. Again let me come back to the slide option. So now I have to decrease the size little bit, and after that if you want to change the text always you can do that. It's quite easy. Here I am keeping everything as it is. I don't want this text. Let me delete them one by one, even this one also. And here at the place of this text, actually I need a button. So here you can see the button, click on that. So there are so many styles available. Suppose I like this one, click on that, and here you can see this button come here. Okay, and the button text I want, it should be shop now. Okay, and after that here you can see the font size. Let me make it 18 pixel, and after that make it medium. Color I am choosing black color. After that here you can see the border color also I am choosing deep black color. After that if you want to resize the button size, always you can do that like that. You can always resize, but here I am keeping everything as it is. Next what I have to do, I don't want this circle actually. Okay, so click that, remove that, and reposition the image. Now let me check the tablet preview for this. So for that click in this. Now here you can see a small rectangle, the light gray color one. Okay, that is actually the exact position or exact size of the slider. So everything you have to place inside that rectangle. Let me drag it little bit down, and here also let me drag it down, and this women's collection, let me drag it little bit down. At the place of the women's collection, let me write women's dress. Okay, and after that I have to reposition it. Not only here, let me come back to the desktop preview. Here also I have to reposition it. So now everything is looking quite perfect. So after that, this one also I have to reposition like that. I have to reposition it. Now let me come back to the mobile preview. So in the mobile preview, as you can see, it's coming like that. So for that, first of all, drag this shop button here. After that I have to drag this navigation button also. After that I have to reposition the image also. First of all, let me make it a little bit smaller, and now let me increase the size a little bit. I think that's looking quite perfect. After that, just drag this text little bit downside, this one also, even this woman's dress also. Okay, so I think it's looking quite perfect. So next what I have to do, let me come back to the desktop preview. After that, drag this also little bit downside. Next, click in the next slide. So here also, first of all, I have to click in the background image and click delete option. Drag it little bit down. I think that's perfect. Delete this one because I don't need. Now here also I have to add a image. So for that again I have to click in this, and after that I have to click in the upload option. Now from the media library, let me take this image, click in the insert option. Make sure the image background should be transparent. Okay, after that I have to resize the image little bit. I think that looks nice. So here also I don't need this one. Delete that, even delete this one also. Select and click in the delete option in the keyboard. Okay, after that I need a button, click in this, and I'm taking this one. Now just drag it down little bit, and the button text that will be shop now. Next, here I have to make it 18 pixel, and let me make it medium. The color that should be black color, and the border color also, I mean this one, make it black color. You can take any color, but here I'm choosing black color because I think it's looking really good. So after that, now let me switch back to the tablet preview. So in the tablet preview, it's coming like that. I think I have to make it a little bit smaller. That's looking good. Even if you want, you can make it a little bit bigger also. And after that, actually I have to reposition this one first. Okay, so now actually at the place of the one, so just double click on that, select that and make it 2. Okay, because that is the second slide. And after that I have to drag it little bit downside. Next, reposition the image. Next, let me come back to the mobile preview. So in the mobile preview also drag the image here like that. I have to make it little bit smaller, and this swap now option also I have to make it little bit down. This also I have to drag it down, this one also and this one also. And okay, now everything looking quite perfect. So next, come back to the desktop preview. So here I am writing beauty products. So next what I have to do, next come back to the third slide. So in the third slide also, first of all I have to select the background, and after that I have to delete it. Again I have to click in this, click in the upload option, and from the media library, suppose I am taking this image, click in the insert. After that drag it here like that. First of all let me delete this one, and here I am keeping everything as it is. I am creating this website in rupee currency, so let me delete this dollar currency and I have to write the rupee currency. And even here also let me delete the dollar and write the rupee sign. Okay, remaining I am keeping everything as it is, just make it little bit larger, I think more larger. Yeah, that's perfect. Next, drag it here like that. Now drag it downside. Next what I have to do, I have to click in this one and I have to make it 3. Next I have to switch back to the tablet preview. So in the tablet preview, as you can see, it's coming like that. Let me drag a little bit upper side, drag the image little bit side, because here actually I have to place this one, and drag it also little bit downside. After that I have to make the image size little bit smaller. That's perfect. Even I think I have to drag it also little bit downside. This one also little bit down, this one also. Yeah, very nice. Next I have to switch back to the mobile preview. So in the mobile preview also, first of all what I have to do, just remove this one little bit sider, because I have to drag it little bit downside. First of all this navigation arrow also, after the start I want downside here like that. After that this one, and after that this one. Next I have to place this navigation bullet also. This one also I have to make it little bit downside, and this women's collection, this also. And here at the place of the women's collection, let me write women's bag. Okay, now I have to drag it little bit left side. Now let me switch back to the tablet preview. Here also I have to drag it like that. Even for the desktop preview also I have to drag it like that. Now again let me come back to the mobile preview. So here everything looking quite good. Okay, now what I have to do, just make the image size little bit smaller and drag it here like that. Entire image is not possible, I think that's enough. After that again I have to click in this, and after that you have to click in this publish option. Okay, and if you want to place this one, just drag it here like that. Even this one also just drag it, and this 3 also just drag and drop it here like that. Okay, even for the second slide also, if you want, just drag it here, then this slash I have to drag it here like that, and after that I have to drag it like that. And even for the first slide also, just drag it here, and this 3 also I have to drag it and drop it here like that. So the designing of the slider is complete. So in this way you can design a responsive slider by using free resources. So once done, you have to click in the publish option. So next what I have to do, in the downside here you can see the shortcode. Just copy this shortcode from here. After that I have to click in this W option. So now actually I have to design the home page. So for that I have to hover on the page and click in the add new option. So now this window will open. Let me close this one, and the title I am giving as home. After that let me disable the title. Again let me click in the publish option. Once it published, I have to click in this plus option, and here actually I have to click in this container. I am taking single row and single column, I mean this one, and click in this plus option here. Let me search for the shortcode. So that is the shortcode. Click in this, and here actually I have to paste that shortcode. Okay, after that I have to click in this and here let me click in this container. Make sure it should be full width, and this one also it should be full width. Once done, let me come back to the style, click in the spacing, and the padding from all sides make it 0. Okay. Next I have to click in this update option. Once it updated, click in this and let me check the preview. So as you can see, my slider is coming perfectly. Even second slide also, as you can see, everything is coming perfectly. Even this third slide also. Now if you observe carefully, here you can see this shop now button is coming immediately. When I opening the slide, as you can see, it's coming after some time, but in the second slide or first slide, this shop now button is coming immediately, but I want it should get displayed after some delay. So for that, again let me click in this, for go back to the dashboard. After that I have to open this one, and from there I have to choose the slider. So that is my slider. Let me click on that. So from there, what I have to do, first of all let me come back to the desktop preview. So here let me select this, and after that I have to click in this animation. So in this animation, first of all I have to choose the animation effect. Suppose I am taking this one, fade in slowly, apply, and here you can see the animation delay. Suppose I am taking 1500 millisecond. Now let me come back to the second one, I mean second slide, click in this. Suppose here I am choosing this one, marks in. So from here I am choosing this one, slide from right, click in the apply, and the delay suppose I am giving 1200 millisecond. Hope you understand the concept. I mean you have to click in this, and after that you have to click in this publish change. Okay. After that, again let me come back to the pages. Now click in the view option. So now you can see after some delay this shop now option is coming. Even for the second slide also, as you can see, after some delay only this shop now option is coming. So in this way you can add the delay or animation. Okay. Hope you understand the concept. So now I have to design this session. So for that, click in this. After that I have to click in this container. So from here I am choosing this one, this single row and 4 column. I need another column. So what I have to do, click in this, and after that here you can see the duplicate option, click on that. So now you can see in a single row there are total 5 column. Click in this because I need some margin. So first of all unlock it. The top margin I am taking around 50 pixel. Let me take some bottom margin also around 50 pixel, and padding if you want you can keep, else I am removing the padding. Okay. So next I have to click in this, and let me search for the image. Click on this one, and from here let me click in this media library. Suppose from the media library I am taking this one. Click in the select option. Again click in this. Again let me search for the image. Click in this. Click in the media library. After that you have to select the brand image. After that you have to click in the select. So in similar process, let me upload all the images one by one. So once you upload all the brand images, so next I have to design this session, I mean this discount session or offer session, whatever. So here actually I have to again click in this plus option, and let me take a container, and here in a single row I need total 3 column. So I am choosing this option, and after that first of all make the padding from all sides 0, unlock the margin. If you want some top margin, always you can apply. Suppose I am taking 30 pixel, and bottom margin also I am taking around 50 pixel. Okay. So next what I have to do, I have to click in the first column. You have to click little bit outside, not on the plus option, little bit outside. Okay. Now here you can see the custom width. Let me keep it 33 only, and this minimum height let me take 500. Next click in the flex property. Keep everything as it is. Just here you can see this justify content. Make it flex end. Okay. Remaining I am keeping everything as it is. So once done, come back to the style option, click in the background, and I want to upload a image in the background. So I have to click in this image option. Click in this. From the media library, suppose I am taking this one, click in the select. After that I want some background overlay. So for the scroll little bit downside, so overlay type make it classic. Click in this. I think that's looking quite nice. So next what I have to do, here you can see the plus option, click on that, and let me search for the info box, I mean this one, click on that, and here you can see the preset. I am choosing the first preset. Okay. So whatever the title you want to write, select that and wrote it here. After that whatever the content you want to wrote it here, and this button, select that. I want it should be shop now. Next, what I have to do, I have to click in this, and here you can see this icon image. I don't want any icon, so what I have to do, I have to just disable it. Next, click in this content, make sure it should be center align. I don't want any separator. Directly come back to this call to action. So if you want to change this button style, always you can do that. Suppose I want this one, okay. So as you can see, the button style totally gets changed. And here in this link, actually you have to enter the link for which category you are showing this offer, okay. Suppose I am giving the offer here for the ladies bag. So here actually I have to enter the link for the ladies bag category. Hope you understand. But it's a dummy website, so I'm not going to enter any link. After that, if you want to add some button icon, always you can do that. So for that, you have to click in this, and from here let me search for the icon. Suppose I want this icon, click on that. After that, after text or before text, so I want my icon should be displayed after text. After the spacing, let me increase the spacing little bit. Next, what I have to do, come back to the style option. So first of all, I have to click in the title, and the title color I want it should be white color. Next, if you want to change the text size, always you can do it from typography, but here I am keeping everything as it is. The description text also I want it should be in white color. And after that, this margin, actually if you want to decrease, always you can do that. Suppose 15 pixel will be enough. Click in this call to action. So that is actually responsible for this button actually. So here in this button, the button text color I want it should be in pink color. So let me choose the pink color from here. After that, background color I want that should be white color. Next, I have to change the border color also. So after that, here you can see the border. Click in this, and let me take this pink color here. Yeah, now it's looking quite good. Now come back to the hover. So in the hover also, let me change this background color to white color, and the text color I am taking this pink color. Okay, now it's looking quite beautiful. This pink color actually I want that should be a default color. So for that, actually you have to open the dashboard, hover on the appearance, and after that you have to click in this customize option. Here you can see this global option, click on that and click in the colors. So at the place of this blue color, I want this pink color, and here, and for the secondary color, actually suppose I am taking this blue color, and after that let me click in the publish option. So once it published here, next you have to come back here, and here actually I have to first of all update it. Once it updated, let me refresh the page once. Now let me click in this, and now let me come back to the style. Now if I click in this, here you can see when I click on this pink color is coming by default color. Hope you understand the concept now. So no need to choose this pink color again and again manually. So next, what I have to do, click in this outside, click in this, and here you can see the duplicate option. Click on that, and again click in this, and let me click in the duplicate option. Now for this one, actually click in this and click in the remove container. Even for this one also click in this, and here also let me click in this remove container. Okay, now it's looking quite perfect. Now click in the second one. So here first of all I have to come back to the style option, because I have to change the image from the media library. Suppose I am taking this image, click in the select option. After that, the title I want it should be this one. Come back to the general option, click in the call to action, and here actually you have to change the link. It's a dummy website, so everything I am keeping as it is. As you can see, that is for the beauty care. So here actually you have to enter the beauty product category link. Remaining I am keeping as it is. Directly come back to the third one. So third one, actually I want it should be dedicated for the perfume. So first of all let me change the image, click in the change image, and from the media library I am taking this image, click in the select, and at this place actually I am writing this one, new stock of perfume. Okay, and after that you have to come back to the general option, and here actually you have to enter the perfume category link. Hope you understand the concept. Now I want some gap downside of this button actually. So let me click in this, come back to the padding, unlock it, padding bottom, let me add 50 pixel. Even for this one also click in this, and after that unlock it, padding bottom I am adding 50 pixel. Even for this one also click in this, unlock it, and padding bottom I am taking 50 pixel. Okay, now it's looking quite perfect. So after that I have to design this feature product section. But you can observe there is a little gray color background in this session actually. So for that, scroll down, click in this plus option. Let me take a container that should contain single row and single column. After that, I have to click in the style option, and here you can see the background color. So let me choose the color, and here let me take very light gray color, more lighter. Okay, that's perfect. Next, click in the general option, and here also you have to click in this. Click in the container. Yeah, everything looking quite perfect. Now here also I have to click in this full width. After that, I have to come back to the style option, click in the spacing. So here actually I have to unlock the padding. Padding right, let me make it 0. Left, make it 0. Padding top, I am taking 50. And padding bottom also, I am taking around 40 pixel. So next, again I have to click in this plus option, and here actually I have to take another container. For that container actually, let me come back to the general option, click in this, and the container width, let me make it 1200 pixel. Okay, click in this plus option and let me search for the info box, I mean this one. Next, what I have to do, click in this icon I don't want, so click in the general option, click in this, and from here let me disable the icon. I want the separator, click in this, make it solid, and after that come back to the style option, click in the separator. I want that should be in pink color, and the width I don't want that should be 30%. I think 15% will be enough. And my title, it should be feature products. I don't want any description, so I'm removing it. After that, so here actually click in this plus option, and let me search for the short code. So click in this short code. So here actually I want to display the feature product. I want in a single row there should be total 4 column, and I want to display total 8 product. So I'm writing feature underscore product. After that, column equal to in colon it will be 4. After the limit equal to in colon it will be 8. Okay, and after that I have to click in the update option. Once done, I have to check the preview also. So click in this, and let me click in the preview in the new tab. So here you can see the all the feature products. So as you can see, I wrote there total 8 product, and in a single row there should be 4 column. It's coming perfectly. So now you can think the images are not coming in full size. As you can see, the height of the image is quite larger compared to this one. So we can fix that easily. For that, again actually you have to come back to this customize window. So in this customize window, if you click in the woocommerce, and here you can see the product image, I have to make it uncropped. Okay, so original image size should display there. After that, again you have to click in the publish option. So as you can see, the full size images are coming now. Even if you come back here, I already updated, so let me refresh the page once. It will not display here actually, so I have to refresh the preview. So as you can see, now full size images are coming. So next, I have to design this portion, this parallax session. So for that, come back here. Again, I have to click in this, and here you can see the plus option for the add block. Let me take another container. For this container also, come back to the general option, click in the container, and make it pixel, and I am making it 1200. After that, I have to come back to the style option, click in the spacing. So here actually padding from all side I have to make it 0. Unlock the margin. Margin top, let me take around 60 pixel. Margin bottom, that should be 0. Okay. Next, I have to click in the background, click in this image option, click in this, and from the media library, let me take this image. Click in the select option. After that, come back to the general option. Here actually the minimum height, let me take around 500 pixel, and for the tablet this minimum height will be 400 pixel. So next, again let me switch back to the desktop preview, click in this, come back to the style option again, and attachment, that should be fixed. So I'll get the parallax effect. Left, let me make it 100. Okay, now it's perfect. So next I have to click in this plus option, and here actually I have to take this info box. So let me select this one, and here in this info box actually I don't want any image or icon, so disable it. After that, whatever the title you want, you can write it here. After that, whatever the content you want to write, always you can write it here. Next, I have to change the size of the font little bit, I think I need some padding at the left hand side. So for that, you can come back to the style option, click in the spacing, unlock the padding. Padding left, let me take around 15 pixel, even 20 pixel will be perfect. So next, click in the title. First of all, I have to make it white color, and here you can see the typography. Click in this and make it 30 pixel, even 40 pixel will be perfect, I think. Now click in the description, and here also I have to make it white color. After that, click in the typography. I think 20 pixel will be perfect. Yeah, it's really looking awesome now. So now actually I have to design this best selling product section. But as you can see, in this actually there is a problem. I don't want the gap downside. So I have to click in this, come back to the spacing. So here you can see bottom gap, just make it 0. Yeah, now it's perfect. So after that, I have to click in the plus option, and let me take a container. I am taking single row and single column. After that, again I have to click in this style option. So from here, margin top, let me unlock it. I am taking margin top 50 and margin bottom I am taking 50. I think margin top, let me take 70. That's perfect. So now let me click in the plus option. Let me take the info box and click in the general. From here, let me take this preset. So here I don't want any icon, disable it, and here at the place of the info box I have to write this one, best selling product. After that, I don't want any description, remove it. Even I don't want this button also. Let me take another preset without button. Yeah, this one, remove it. After that, I need the separator. Click in this and make it solid. Come back to the style option. So here, click in the separator. Let me make it 15 pixel, and here I am choosing this pink color. So next, again I have to click in this and let me search for the short code, this one, and here I am writing in bracket best underscore selling underscore products column 4 and limit 8. Let me click in the update option because I want to check the preview once. Click in this preview in a new tab. So as you can see, it's coming like that. It's really looking awesome. So after that, I have to design this session. So in a single row, I need total 4 column. So for that, what I have to do, click outside, click in the plus option, and next you have to click in this container, and from here I am choosing this one, single row and 4 column. Next, I have to click in the style option. Here also I need little bit light gray color background. I think that's perfect. Come back to the spacing. So here, unlock it. Top padding I am taking around 70. Bottom padding also let me take around 50. Right padding let me make it 0, and left padding also let me make it 0. So now let me click in the plus option. Let me search for the info box. So first of all, I have to change the icon because as you can see, I need this globe icon. So let me click in the general option, click in this, let me search for the globe, this one. After that, my title will be global shipping and my content will be this one. Next, come back to the style option. So click in this icon / image. Let me make it 50. After that, unlock it, and bottom padding I am taking 20. Click in the title. So in the title, click in the typography. Let me make it 22. Yeah, that's looking quite nice. Again, click in this. Again, let me take the info box, and here also, first of all, let me come back to the general option. Click in this, and here let me take this icon, and after that my title will be best quality and my content will be this one. Again, let me click in the add block here, take the info box. So here, click in this. After that, I have to click in this icon option. Suppose I am taking this icon. After that, in the title I am taking this one, and the content I am taking this one. So next, I can click in this. Again, let me take the info box, and for this info box, first of all, let me come back to the general option, and here I want the lock icon. So let me search for the lock. So here you can see the lock icon, click on that, and the title will be secure payment, and content I want it should be that one. So next, click in the first one, click in this copy style. After that, click in this and paste style. For this one also, click in this paste style. Even for this one also, click in this and paste style. Okay, now it's looking quite good. So the designing of the home page is complete. Now I have to design the about us page. Once completed, I have to click in the update option. Once it updated, again I have to click in this W option. Now for adding a new page, again I have to click in this add new option. So after that, here actually I have to add the page title, that is about us, and after that I have to click in the publish option. So after that, first of all, let me disable the title. My about us page should be look like that. So first of all, I need this heading. So come back here. First of all, let me click in this plus option, and after that let me take a container. I am taking single row and single column. After that I have to come back to the style option. Here I need a background image, so let me click in this image option, click in this plus option. From the media library, suppose I am taking this image. After that I have to click in the select option. Next, scroll down a little bit because I need a overlay color. Click in this, click this, and now let me decrease the opacity. Next, what I have to do, I have to come back to the general option, and after that I have to click in the container option because I need some minimum height. I think 500 pixel will be enough. If you want, you can increase it more. Next, what I have to do, here you can see this content box width. Let me make it % and make it 100. Okay. After that I have to click in the plus option here. And here I need a heading. Click on the heading, and my heading, that will be, let me select that, and that will be about us. Okay. And after that I have to make it H1, and alignment should be center. Next, I have to come back to the style option. First of all, let me change the color to white color, and after that I have to click in the typography, and the size, let me take around 60 pixel. I make a spelling mistake, it will be about us. Okay. Now perfect. So next, for the tablet device, I think the size is okay, but I think I have to decrease the size for the mobile. In the mobile, click in the typography. I think 45 will be the perfect. Okay. And for the mobile preview, click in this, come back to the general option. Here you can see the minimum height. Let me take around 400. Yeah, that's perfect. So again, let me come back to the desktop preview, and after that, after updating the page, let me check the preview also. So for that, click this and click in the preview in a new tab. Okay, it's coming perfectly. Again, let me come back here. So now I have to design this session. It's quite easy. So click outside and click in the plus option, and from there let me take a container, and I need total single row and 2 column. And after that, directly come back to the style option, come back to the spacing, padding from all side, let me make it 0. After that, unlock the margin top, let me take around 50 pixel. Even margin bottom also I'm taking 50 pixel. Next, so I need this image. Click in this. Let me search for the image. So here you can see the image, click on that, and after that I have to click in the media library. Let me take this image, click in the select option. After that I have to click in the plus option, and here actually I have to search for the info box. Now in this info box, actually I think this preset will be perfect for my requirement, and I need a separator also. So click in the separator and make it solid. After the position, after icon or image. Okay. Next, I have to change the title. So my title will be this one. After that, I have to change the content also. I mean, I am talking about this one. Next, this red mode text, if you want, you can keep it. Else, if you don't want, always you can erase that. I'm erasing it. And now let me come back to the style option. First of all, I have to change the color of the separator. So I need the pink color. And the width also I want 15%. Remaining I am keeping everything as it is. So next, what I have to do, again I have to click in the outside, click in the plus option. Now again let me take the container. Again I am taking single row and 2 column. Now click in this, and here I need an image. Click on that, and let me click in the media library. I need this image, so let me search the image in the media library. So that is the image what I am looking for. Click in the insert. After that, again I have to click in this plus option. Again let me click in the info box, and in the preset let me click in this. After that, I need the separator. Click in this, and from there make it solid. Position, that should be after icon or image. And next, I have to change the title and content. So my title will be this one. After that, I have to change the content also. So select the content, and my content will be this one. After that, again I have to come back to the style option. We can do one thing. Just select that, click this, copy style, select that, click this, and paste style. Yeah, done. Now let me remove this read mode option. Okay, that's perfect. Now let me switch back to the tablet preview. So in the tablet preview, it's coming like that. Okay, it's perfect. I think for the tablet preview, I have to decrease the margin little bit. So now let me select this one, and from here come back to the spacing. So here actually, first of all, unlock the margin, and margin bottom, let me take around 30 pixel. Next, come back to the mobile preview. So the mobile preview, actually I want this text should be come in the top. Okay, not this image, the text should be come in the top. So for that, I have to select that content. Okay, I mean this one, and after that I have to come back to the general option. Here you can see flex property, and here you can see this wrap reverse. select that. Okay, it's done now. So now again let me come back to the desktop preview. So after that I have to design this our team session. So as you can see here, there is a light gray color background. So you can come back here, click on the outside, click in this plus option. Let me take a container. I'm clicking single row and single column. Come back to the style option, click in the spacing. First of all I have to unlock the margin. Margin top, let me take around 50 pixel. After that I have to unlock the padding also. So padding top, let me take 50 pixel. Padding right, let me take 0. Padding bottom also I am taking 50 pixel. And padding left I am taking 0. After that I have to click in the background, click in this and click in this, and from here let me take a very light gray color background. I think that's perfect. Okay, next again I have to click in the plus option. Here again I have to take another container, and now for this container actually I have to click in the general option, click in this, and here you can see the custom width. Click in the pixel and make it 800. After that again I have to click in the plus option, and here let me take info box. So in this info box actually I don't want any icon. So come back to the general option, click in this image or icon, disable the icon. After that I need a separator. Click in this and make it solid, and the position will be after icon image. Okay, and now come back to the style option. So in the style actually come back to the separator. First of all I have to change the color, and after that I have to change the width. I think 20% will be perfect. Next I have to change the content of the title also. After that let me change the description also. So next click here, click in the plus option. Let me click in the column. I need total 3 columns in a single row, so I'm taking this one. After that I have to click in this plus option, and let me search for the info box, I mean this one. And here first of all what I have to do, come back to the general option, and here I have to click in this image icon. After that I have to click in the image, click in this from the media library. Suppose I am taking this image, click in the select. After that I have to change the title also, so that will be my title, and my description will be this one. Next I have to again click in this. Again let me take the info box. In similar manner come back to the general option, click in the image, click in this plus option. From the media library, suppose I am taking this image, click in the select option. After that I have to change the name, and at the place of the description I have to write CEO. So in similar manner here also I have to add another info box. Click in the plus option, click in the info box. After that I have to click in this image, click in this plus option here. Suppose I am taking this image, click in the select option. After that title will be this one, and the content will be this one. So next what I have to do, after that again I have to click in this corner. Again I have to click in this plus option. Again I have to click in the column, and after that again I have to take single row and 3 column. Okay, like that. So the process is quite similar. Again what I have to do, I have to click in the plus option. Here also I need the info box. So here also click in this image, click in this, and from the media library, suppose I am taking this image, click in the select option. After that I have to change the title, so that will be my title. After that will be the description. Again click in the plus option, take info box, click in the image, click in the plus option. Suppose I am taking this image, click in the select. So here the title will be this one, and here in content I am writing CEO. Again let me click in this plus option, and here also I have to take another info box. So click in this image, click in this. From the media library, suppose I am taking this image, click in the select option. After that will be the title, and that will be the subtitle. So next I have to change the style of this team member sessions. So for that first of all let me click in the first one, come back to the style option. So here first of all come back to the description, and the text color I want pink color. After that click in this icon image, unlock the padding, and here you can see the bottom padding. Let me take around 15 pixel. Next click in this, copy style. After that click in the second one. So paste style. For the third one also paste style. Fourth one also paste style. So for the all I have to paste the same style. So it's done now. So after that I have to design this follower session. So for the scroll down, click outside, click in this plus option. Let me take another container, and I am taking single row and single column. Come back to the style option. Here I have to click in this background image. Click in this. From the media library I am taking this image. Click in the select. After that come back to the general option. Here you can see the minimum height. Make it 400 pixel, and in the style option actually I forgot one thing. Here you can see the attachment, I have to make it fixed. Okay, and here you can see the top, just make it 0. After that I have to click in this plus option. Let me take another container. So now for this container actually come back to the general option, click in this, and here you can see the minimum height. First of all, let me make it 400 pixel. After that, this custom width, I think 400 pixel will be enough. Yeah, that's looking quite good. Now come back to the style option. So here click in this, and from here suppose I am taking this color. Yeah, that's looking quite perfect. There is some gap. I don't want the gap. Click in this, and after that scroll down, click in the spacing, padding from all sides, just make it 0. For the tablet device also, I have to make it 0 from all sides. Even for the mobile devices also, I think for the mobile devices 10 pixel is okay. So again, let me come back to the desktop preview. So now in the desktop preview, so I have to click in this plus option. After that, I have to take an info box. So now in this info box, actually come back to the general option. From there, let me take this one, and after that my title will be follow us. I don't want any content. Remove it, remove this also. And next, what I have to do, I need a separator. Click in this and make it solid, and the position here, that will be after icon image. Come back to the style option, and here actually come back to the separator, and from here I have to change it pink color, and with, let me make it 15%. I think 15% is very less. I think let me make it 20. Yeah, now it's looking quite good. So after that, so here actually I have to again click in this plus option, and let me search for the social. So here you can see the social share, click on that. Okay, now it's looking quite perfect. So by default, total 4 social media icon are displaying here. Now if you want to add another social media icon, you can always click in this plus option, and from here whatever the social media icon you want, always you can add. Suppose I want WhatsApp, click on that. So you can see the WhatsApp icon already added here. If you want to change the color, always you can do that. So for that, you have to come back to the style option, click in the color. We all know the social media icon for the WhatsApp color is green color. I think that's perfect. So after that, actually I have to design the testimonial. Click in this, and let me search for the testimonial. So here you can see the testimonial. Let me click on that, and after that directly come back to the style option, click in the spacing, and unlock the padding. Top padding, let me take 50 pixel. Remaining, I am keeping everything as it is. If you want to change the content, always you can do that. You have to select the content, and after that whatever you want to write, you can always write that. Similarly, you can change the name, and even you can change the company name also. It's a dummy website, so everything I am keeping as it is. And from here, if you want to increase the number of the testimonial, always you can do. By default, that is 3. And how many column you want to display at a time, always you can specify from here. Suppose I am making it 2. So as you can see, the 2 testimonial are displaying at a time. Okay, not only that, but also you can decide in tablet device how many testimonials should display. So as you can see, in the tablet devices, by default only single testimonial displaying at a time. Make it 2. So in the tablet, total 2 testimonials should be display. Like that you can customize, and from here you can change the alignment also, and here you can add the images also. So as you can see, there is total 3 testimonials, so total 3 image options are coming here. Even for the carousel also, you can increase or decrease the speed and transition effects, etc. Not only that, but also you can decide you want to display only arrow or only dots, or you want to display both. Remaining everything I'm keeping as it is. Directly come back to the desktop preview. So once done, click in the update option. After that, I have to click in this. So now actually I have to design the contact us page. For that, again I have to click in this add new. After that, I have to give the title of the page as contact us. Next, I have to hide the title, and after that I have to click in this publish option. So my contact us page should be look like that. So as you can see, in the contact us page, I need a contact form. For that, first of all, let me build the contact form. Again, let me click in this W option. For come back to the dashboard. From there, I have to click in this WP form. So after that, I have to click in this create your form. Click in the let's go. From there, I'm selecting this simple contact form template. Click in this use template option. So here, let me add another field. So let me click in this single line text and drag and drop this single line text here. Click in this, and the label I'm writing subject. Yes, this field is required. After that, come back to the advanced option, make it large. Click in this, come back to the advanced option, make it large. Similar for this one also, come back to the advanced option, make it large. Hide the subtitle. Okay, now it's looking quite good. Let me click in the save option. Now I have to click in this cross option. After that, again I have to click in the pages. From there, click in this contact us. So after that, I have to click in this plus option. Let me take a container. I am taking single row and single column. Come back to the container. Minimum height, let me take 500 pixel. Come back to the style option. Click in this plus option for adding the background image. Suppose I am taking this image as background image. Click in the select option. After that, I have to click in this plus option. And here, let me search for the heading. Here you can see the heading. Click on that. And my heading will be contact us. After that, I have to make it center align, make it heading 1. Come back to the style option, click in the typography. Size, let me take around 60 pixel. After that, I have to change the color also. Click in this, let me take the white color, and after that again let me click in this, because for the tablet devices I have to decrease the font size. I think for the tablet is 60 pixel is perfect. For the mobile it's coming like that. So for the mobile devices let me take it around 45 pixel, and for the mobile devices actually click in this, and here you can see the general option. Come back here, click in the container, and the minimum height let me make it 400 pixel. Content box width let me make it 100%. Even for the tablet devices also I have to make it full width, and for the desktop device also by default it's full width. So everything is looking quite good. So after that I have to design this session. So again I have to click outside, click in this plus option. Here I have to take a container. Suppose I am taking this one. Next directly come back to the style option, unlock the spacing, padding from all side I am making 0, unlock the margin. Top margin I am taking 50 pixel, and bottom margin suppose I am taking 30 pixel. Now here actually I have to click in the plus option. Let me search for the heading. So here you can see the heading. Click on that. My heading will be this. So here actually I have to make it heading 3. Again let me click in this. Here also I need a heading. Click on that, and my heading will be this one, and make it is 3. After that I have to click in this, click in the corner, and here you can see a plus option for adding block. Click on that, and let me take a info box here. And for this info box actually first of all directly come back to the style option, because I need some top margin. So padding top let me take around 30 pixel, and padding bottom also I'm taking 30 pixel. Okay, next come back to the general option, because I have to change the icon. Click in this. Let me search for the envelope. I am taking this one, and here actually at the title I have to write my email ID. Next directly come back to the style option. Here I have to click in this icon, and the icon color I am taking this one. Padding right I am taking around 15 pixel. Click in the title, click in the typography for the title. Font size let me take around 16 pixel, and I don't want any description, so just remove that. And here in the general option, icon position, make it left of text and title. Yeah, that's perfect now. Next click in this, and I have to make it duplicate. So here actually again click in this, and in the icon I have to search for the phone icon. So here you can see the phone icon. Click on that. After here actually I have to enter my phone number. Again I have to click in this, make it duplicate, and here actually I have to search for the clock icon. I am taking this one, and the title I am writing this one. Again let me duplicate it, and here I am writing in the title 10 AM to 5 PM. So let me click in the update. Let me check the preview once. Okay, it's coming like that. So after that what I have to do, just click here, click in this plus option, and let me search for the WP form. Click in this, and from here let me select the form. Okay, it's coming like that. Let me click in the update option. Once it updated, again let me check the preview. Okay, now it's looking quite perfect. If you want, always you can decrease the gap in between these icon boxes. It's quite easy. Let me click in this. After that come back to the style and come back to the spacing. Top I am taking 15, bottom also let me take 15. Similarly for this one also, click in this. Top I am taking 15, bottom also I am taking 15. Similarly for the other two also I have to do the same thing. Once done, click in the update. After that let me check the preview. Okay, now I think everything is looking quite perfect. So now I have to design the order tracking page. And another thing you can observe in this actually banner session, let me come back here, click in this outside, click in the background, top let me make it 0. Okay, let me click in the update. After that let me click in this W option, and after that again I have to click in the add new option. Title of the page I am giving as order tracking. Let me click in the publish option. So here first of all I have to click in this, and after that I have to click in the container, and from here I am taking single row and 2 column. And I forgot one thing, I have to disable this title. Now I have to click in this, and let me search for the image option. So here you can see the image. Click on that, and after that I have to click in the media library. Now from the media library, suppose I am taking this image, click in the select option. After that I have to click in this. Let me search for the shortcode. Click in this, and my shortcode will be this one, woocommerce _order tracking. I have to click in the update option. Once done, I have to click in this preview, and after that I have to click in the preview in a new tab. Okay, it's coming perfectly. So next I have to create the blog page. So click in this. After that I have to click in this add new option. Title of the page I am giving as blog, and after that I have to click in the publish option. Once it published, again I have to click in this W option. So now actually I have to set up default home page and blog page. For that I have to click in the settings option, and after that I have to click in the reading option. From there I have to choose this one, and from here for the home page I am choosing home, and for the post page I am choosing blog. After that I have to click in the save changes. Once done, I have to come back to the general option. So in the general option I have to enable this one, and here actually I have to make it customer. Scroll down, click in the save changes, directly come back to the permalinks. So in the permalinks I have to make it post name. Scroll down again, I have to click in the save changes. Now I have to create some post. For creating the post I have to hover on the post and click in the add new option. Now for creating the post, first of all I have to write the title here. After that here actually I have to write the post description. Now I have to click in the post option. From here if you want to add the post category, you have to click in the category, and for adding a new category you have to click in this add new category, and here actually you have to enter the category name. Suppose I am giving the category name as travel. After that I have to click in the add new category. Similarly, if you want to add the tag, always you can do that. Just you have to click in this, and after that here actually you have to enter the tag. After the most important thing, I have to upload the feature image for the post. Click in this, and from the media library, suppose I am taking this image, click in the set feature image, and after that you have to click in the publish option. For adding another blog post, again you have to click in this W option. After that again you have to click in this add new option. Here you have to enter the title. After here actually you have to enter the content of the post. After that you have to click in the post option, and from here if you want to choose the post category, click in this. Suppose I am choosing the category as travel. After that you have to set the feature image, click in this. From the media library, suppose I am taking this image, click in the set feature image, and after that again you have to click in the publish option. In similar manner, let me create some more blog posts, and after that I will come back. So as you can see here, I already create almost 7 blog posts. So now let me design the header. For designing the header actually, first of all I have to create menus. For creating the menus, I have to hover on the appearance, and after that I have to click in the menus option. If you come to the website, as you can see in the header, there are total 2 menus. One is the main menu and another is the top menu. And another menu, I mean off canvas menu, you can observe when I open the mobile preview. Let me right click and click in the inspect element. Now let me switch back to the mobile preview. So here you can see one menu is opening, that call actually off canvas menu. So I have to design total 3 menu. So for that, first of all, for creating the menu, I have to give the menu name. The first menu name I am giving as main, and after that from here I have to choose the primary menu. Next you have to click in the create menu option. So here I have to choose home, and after that all the main categories. Let me come back here. By default the product category will not shown here. So for that I have to click in the screen option, and from there I have to click in this product category. And after that here you can see now the product category is showing here. First of all, let me click in the view all, let me click in the home, and after that let me click in the add domain option. Next I have to click in this product category. From there you have to click in this view all. Now let me select all the main categories like bag, beauty product, after that man's dress, perfume, watch, and woman's dress. Let me click in the add to menu. So that is my main menu bar. Let me click in the save menu option. For adding another menu, again I have to click in this create a new menu option, and now I have to create the top menu. Let me give the menu name as top menu, and here actually I am choosing secondary menu. Let me click in this create menu option. So here actually I have to choose this about, shop, order tracking, and contact us option. So for that let me click in this view all. First of all I have to choose about, after that I need shop, after that contact us, and another is order tracking. Let me click in the add to menu option. If you want to arrange them like after about, if you want shop, you can always drag and drop it here like that. After that let me click in the save menu option. So now actually I have to design the off canvas menu. So for creating the off canvas menu, first of all I have to click in this create a new menu option, and here let me write the menu name as off canvas, and from here I am choosing off canvas. Okay, after that I have to click in the create menu option. Now let me click in the view all. I am choosing home, about, after that contact us, after that blog, after that order tracking, and shop. Click in the add to menu option. Now from here home should be first, after that about us, after that shop, after that blog, next contact us, and order tracking. Okay, it's perfect. Let me click in the save menu option. So once done, I have to click in the customize option, because I have to open the header editor or header builder. So here you can see the header builder. I have to click on that. So that is my default header builder interface. First of all, let me change the logo. So for that I have to click in this, and from here I have to click in the select logo option. And from the media library, let me select this image as a logo image. Click in the select option. After that I have to click in the script copying. Next, the logo width, let me take around 188 pixel. Site title not required, let me remove it. Come back to the design option. Okay, here everything I am keeping as it is. So as you can see, my logo is coming perfectly. After that the primary menu bar also is coming perfectly. Now here actually I have to add account, and after that I have to add cart icon. Next, here actually I have to click in this and let me take the HTML one. So here actually I have to mention the phone number or email ID, whatever. So let me click in this HTML one now, and here I am writing my phone number. Again click in this, and let me click in the HTML2 and click in this HTML2 here, and here I am mentioning my email ID. Now I have to click in this, and let me click in the secondary menu. The tablet menu should be look like that, and the mobile header should be look like that. Everything is perfect. Again come back to the desktop preview, and after that let me click in the publish option. After that I have to click in the design option. Here I have to unlock the margin first of all, and the bottom margin I am taking -60. After that I have to click in the publish option again. So now actually I have to design the footer. So my footer should be look like that. So if you carefully observe, in footer also there is total 3 menu. One is category menu, another is for man, and another is for woman. Okay, so I have to total create 3 menu. So again I have to click in this cross option. After that again I have to click in the menus, and after that again I have to click in the create a new menu option. So first of all let me create the category menu. Next I have to click in the create menu option. Let me click in the product category, and from here I am choosing all the main category like bag, beauty product, man's dress, woman's dress, perfume, watch, and after that let me click in the add domain option. After that I have to click in the save menu option. Next again I have to click in the create a new menu option. I am giving the menu name as for him, and after that I have to click in the create menu option. Now here again I have to click in this product category, click in the view all, and from here actually I have to come back to the man's dress. From there I have to choose coat, jacket, t-shirt, winter dress, I mean all the subcategory of the man's dress, and after that I have to click in the add domain menu option, and after that again I have to click in this save menu option. Next again I have to click in this create a new menu option, and now menu name I am giving as for her. After that again I have to click in the create menu option. After that again I have to click in the product category, click in the view all, scroll down a little bit. So here you can see the women's dress category. Let me select all the main category, and after that I have to click in the add to menu option. Again I have to click in the save menu option. After that I have to click in this Mailchimp for WordPress option. Here it asking the Mailchimp API key. Let me open the Mailchimp in a new tab. After that I have to click in this login option because I already have an Mailchimp account. So next I have to enter the user ID and password. Next again I have to click in the login option. So it asking the verification code. Let me click in this send to email. So as you can see I already get the OTP. Come back here, and here actually you have to paste the verification code, and after that I have to click in the submit verification. Next I have to click in this, and after that I have to click in the account and billing option. From there I have to click in this extra, click in the API key, click in this, copy this code, come back here. Here I have to mention the code, and after that I have to click in the save changes. Once it's saved, you have to click in the form option. I have to click in this add new form. Now from here I have to first of all remove this label and paragraphs because I don't need that. Here also I have to remove the paragraph tag. After that I have to click in the save changes. Once done, I have to hover on the appearance, and after that I have to click in the customize option. Next I have to click in this footer builder. From there first of all let me click in this, make it 2. I am selecting this one, click in this, click in the HTML1. After that I have to click in the HTML1, and here I need this text. After that make it left aligned, click in this. After that I have to click in the widget 1. After that I have to click in this widget, click in the got it, click in this plus option. Let me search for the Mailchimp subscribe form, click in this. After the title, I don't want any title, remove it. After that I have to click in the publish option. So as you can see my Mailchimp subscribe form is coming perfectly. Next I have to click in this. From here I have to choose 4 column. I need this one. After that I have to click in this plus option. After that I have to click in this widget 2, click in this plus option, and here first of all I have to search for the image, click in this. After that I have to click in the media library. Now from the media library I am selecting this image, and after that I have to click in the select option. Next again I have to click in the plus option. Let me take paragraph. Now here actually I have to mention my contact information. After that I have to click in this. Here I am clicking in the widget 3. Now I have to click in this widget 3, click in this, and here actually I have to search for the menu. Here you can see the navigation menu, click on that. Title I am writing for man, click in this, and from here I am choosing for him, click in this, click in the widget 4. After that I have to click in the widget 4, click in the plus option. Here again I have to search for the menu, click in the navigation menu. The title I am writing for her, and from here I am choosing for her. After that I have to click in the publish option. Next I have to click in this. From here I have to click in this copyright. So here I am writing at the place of the theme author, I am writing my YouTube channel name, and after that I have to click in the publish option. Another thing I forgot, click in this again, and from here let me make it 2. Now I have to click in this and click in the social. After that I have to click in the social. So by default Facebook, Twitter and Instagram is present. Suppose I want to add the YouTube also, click in the YouTube. After that I have to click in the add social. Now I have to click in this, and here actually you have to enter the YouTube channel link. I am giving the hash sign because it's a dummy website, and alignment that should be right aligned. Next I have to click in the publish option. Now let me come back here and refresh the page to check my footer is coming or not. So as you can see, my footer is coming perfectly. So now actually I have to design the sidebar for the shop page. So for that let me come back here, click in the WooCommerce, click in the product catalog. From here sidebar layout I am choosing this left sidebar because I want my sidebar should be appeared in the left side. Scroll down a little bit. In a single row I want to display total 3 products, so I am choosing 3. How many product you want to display in the page? Suppose I want to display total 24 product. Remaining here everything I am keeping as it is. Suppose you don't want to display the category here, so just disable that like that. If you disable it here, then as you can see the product category is not displaying, but I highly recommend it. Enable the category because it's very important. Next you have to click in the publish option. Come back here, I have to click in this sidebar option, and here let you make it 25. After that again I have to click in the publish option. Come back here. After that I have to click in this widget option. Click in this WooCommerce sidebar. So first of all let me click in this plus option. Let me search for the menu. Click in the navigation menu. Title I am giving as category, and from here I am choosing category menu. After that again I have to click in the plus option. Let me search for the price. So here I can see the filter product by price. Let me select that. After that again I have to click in the plus option, and now let me search for the attribute. So here I can see the filter product by attribute. Click on that. First of all I am choosing capacity. Let me click in the done. But again I have to click in the plus option. Again let me search for the attribute. Again let me click in the filter product by attribute. Now I am choosing color. Click in the done. Again let me search for the attribute. Click in this filter products by attribute. Now let me click in the size and click in the done. After that again I have to click in the plus option, and let me search for the recent product. So here you can see the recently viewed product list. Click on that. Scroll down a little bit and let me make it 5. After that I have to click in the publish option. So as you can see my shop page sidebar is coming perfectly. After that let me add the fab icon. So for that I have to click in the site identity. Click in this. From the media library, suppose I am taking this icon. Click in this select option. Okay, it's done. So as you can see the fab icon now changed. Click in the publish option. I am ending the video tutorial here. If you have any kind of doubt, always you can ask me in the comment section. If you have any WordPress related project, then always you can contact with me this number or with this email ID. If you really like this video and if you think this video is helpful for you, then please like this video and share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest notification about my channel. If you subscribe my channel, then that motivates me a lot to create this kind of professional content. Thank you. Have a nice day.